Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making a soap scented in pink, lilac, and willow. This is a remake. I have made this soap previously. So we are going to start the same way we always do. Mix in our oils, additives, and butters. Add in our lye and turn this into soap. So for this soap, we are going to have 3 different colors, 2 accent colors, majority of our batch will be purple. This is Iris Purple by Nurture Soap. Then we have this really pretty red blue mica from Brambleberry. And we have some white. This is predispersed in water. I just keep it in this little glass jar. When I want to use it, I give it a mix, and then it's ready to go. So let's get our colors mixed in. So I'll go ahead and scrape off my stick blender. And we'll mix everything in, the fragrance in by hand. And I'm going to start with the purple. Make sure all the soap is mixed in that mica well. And this is a floral, but I don't believe it speeds anything up, if I remember correctly. So we have our mold ready to go. I'm just going to let this thicken up a little bit. So while I'm waiting, I can go ahead and mix the fragrance into our accent colors. And I do want to set some of this to the side to use on the top. I usually do that before I add in the fragrance, but we forgot. Not a big deal. And for this soap, I think we're just going to do a drop swirl. So I'm going to put in about half of my purple. And then, oh, the pink is thick. This might turn into a hanger swirl. And put in the rest of the purple. I haven't scraped the bowls out quite yet. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a hanger swirl. I'm going to save the white. The white is what's going to go on top. Our other bowls are scraped out. Let's find our hanger swirl tool. So this hanger I bought from Amazon, and you can just make it whatever size you need. Go right down in the middle and just swirl it out to each side, and then come up in the middle. Okay, I'm going to tap it down again. I'm going to clean up our sides here, and now I'm going to put on the rest of the white. So now we will wait for our other soap to set up, and we will pipe some little soap flowers on here. Welcome back, friends. We are here to cut into the pink lilac and willow soap. And our first bar. I love that bright pink in there with that light color purple. Very nice. And the top came out so pretty. That glitter adds just the perfect amount of shine to it. So if this soap is something that you may be interested in, it will be available in my Etsy shop on Sunday, January the 2nd. So I thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.